Welcome to our foundation channel from class 8, chapter number 6 is areas of plane figures. So to improve the basic skills in this chapter, only two-dimensional shapes areas of the plane figures like area and perimeter or area or circumference. Those topics I'll explain the basic skills about in this topic. So I'm giving one link in description below. You can find out the worksheets or PDF file to practice purpose. You can download and practice, then listen this video. It'll be perfect in this chapter, right? Let us do one by one. What are the basic skills required to improve in these areas? First, the average or below average. Those are unable to do even the areas of 2D shapes. First, area of the rectangle and squares. Let's see now. So area of the rectangle. So rectangular shape is length, width, or length and breadth are not equal. No. So if you take it is length and this is breadth. So area of this rectangle is length into breadth. Same way in square all the four sides are equal. Square four sides are equal. Each side if you take it as A, all the four sides are A. Now area of the square is side into side, that is a square, or side into side. We need to multiply this both. So this is the area. Length into breadth is for rectangle, side into side or side square is the area of the square. First problem, four sides are equal, 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters. So 9 square is the area. That is 9 is multiplied with 9. 9 into 9 is 81. Centimeters square. Units also is important in these areas. This is in centimeters. Both are same units. Then only we can multiply. So 9 into 9, 81 centimeters squares or 81 square centimeters is the area of the square. Now if it is not same, 1.8 and 1.2. So you just multiply this both. This is a rectangular shape. You can multiply this. Answer will come in centimeters squares. Now 4 into 2. So 8. So this is in square meters, no? Again 4 into, okay, this is 6 into 4. 6 times 4. So 24, but it's in inches. So square inches. Okay, you can multiply just two corresponding sides, two adjacent sides if you, adjacent sides it is. If you multiply, you'll get the area. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of the square is side into side. Use that property to improve this skill in this worksheet. Next one, okay, 2-3 pages I am giving the same. Next, in this fourth page in this PDF, areas of parallelogram and triangles. Okay, so area of the parallelogram. Parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel and equal. These two sides are parallel. These two also parallel and equal. Area of the parallelogram is base into perpendicular height, B into H. Base into perpendicular height to the opposite side. Now in this problem, base is 3 feet, height to the opposite side to this perpendicular height to this is 1.8. Okay. You can multiply, answer will come in square feet square. So 1.8 into 3, 3 8 is a 24, 2, so 5.4, 5.4 square feet. Base into height, same diagram. Now base is 5, height is 1.7. So you can multiply, answer will come in, this is miles square we get. Okay. Area of the parallelogram is base into perpendicular height always. So if 11 is the base, height is perpendicular height. This is perpendicular but not mentioned, is mentioned here. So 11 times 10.7. Just to multiply both, you'll get answer in decimals if the question is in decimals. Right. Same way, area of the triangle. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into perpendicular height. Base into height. So half 1 by 2. Base is 10 and perpendicular height to the is 4. 1 by 2 into 10 into 4. 40 divided by 2, it is 20. 20 miles squares. Area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, use this formula to do these problems. 1 by 2. Base is 12, height is 6.7. You can calculation also do by cancelling method, like 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12, because 12 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Now 6 into 6.7 you multiply, answer will come in square centimeters. 6 into 6.7, answer you have to multiply, right? And this is 42, 4, 36, 4, no, 40.2 centimeters squares. Area of the square rectangle, area of the parallelogram and triangles, you just practice from these worksheets. Next pages we have areas of the trapeziums. Area of the trapezium is one pair of the sides, opposite sides are parallel, other two are non-parallel. Okay, this is the trapezium, which are parallel sides A and B, length is A and B, distance between the parallel sides is h, and then area of this trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of the parallel sides into h. Sum of the parallel sides 1 by 2 into a plus b into h. So this formula I apply to do these problems in this area of trapezium. Right? For example, first one 1 by 2 times sum of the parallel sides 1.7 5.9, 1.7 plus 5.9 into h is how much 3. You can simplify 1 by 2 times 1.7 5.9, so 6.6 7.6 into 3. You can go for cancellation method. 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, 1 carry no 16, 8 is 16. So 3.8 into 3, 3 8s are 24, 2 carry 9, 11. So 11.4 inches square inches. Use the formula of this. Area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into a plus b into h. A plus b is sum of the parallel sides. H is the distance between the parallel sides. Okay, use that property or formula to solve the problems. For example, fourth one, 1 by 2 into a plus b, 9.2 plus 4 into distance between them is 4. 1 by 2 into 9.2 plus 4 is, so this is 13.2 into 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 13.2 into 2. So 26.4 square feet. Use the area of trapezium, this formula, to solve this worksheet, and continuation problems also get from the worksheet and calculate. Right. Next we have some more problems about 2D shapes, area and circumference of the circles. So if you observe the formula, area is 22 by 7 for the value of the pi. So this you can call it as the pi. Pi r square, r is the radius. Pi into radius is for area. Circumference is total length of the boundary, that is 2 into pi into r. Okay, these two formulas you apply to solve these problems. Right? Anything is given, you can apply. For example, first one, area is equals to pi r square, right? Pi value is 22 by 7, r square, r is the radius is how much? 3. 3 into 3. This you have to calculate to find out the area. Next is circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3. You can simplify to calculate this. Okay, just to answer will come in centimeters. So area will come in centimeters squares. Circumference is in come in only centimeters. You just simplify. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, 22 into 9 again. Into the 18 again 198. 198 divided by 7 centimeters squares. This is 22 into 2 44. 44 into 3 you multiply. 3 4s are 12, so 132. 132 divided by 7 centimeters. You can write answer in decimals or else you can stop. Only the thing is you need to practice to understand that area of the circle and circumference of circle and calculate the answers in these problems. Okay. So I am giving few more questions, same pattern. So area of circles, 2D shapes, trapezium, parallelogram and square rectangle. Each and every problem including formula will be perfect by practicing these worksheets.